Eva Trades.
Hey, welcome to Eva Trades, BNOX stock of the day. Let's go take a look. And good morning, everybody. Is it Thursday today? I forgot to check. I lose track of these things. Yes, it's Thursday. After a horrendous day for me yesterday, back today to try to make amends. And that's always tricky, coming back off of a big loss. Anyways, so today the leading gapper is not BNOX. That's weird. I really thought that was on the gap scan, but it's not. It was actually on the high of day momentum scanner, and it popped up here earlier on this morning at around 5 o'clock, I think. Yeah, it was about 4:59 there. So this one made some really nice moves here. And I did something that I don't normally do, which is trade pre-market. I don't like to do it because you don't have the option to use a stop loss. So you really have to watch it. But I'm still able to calculate my share size and visualize where my stop would be. So, what I liked this morning on this one was this little setup right here. And this is where I bought this equilibrium that started to break bullish right in here. So I got in it there and I sold it up over the high. And of course, it made a much nicer move. But made, $67. It's a nice little start for my day. So that one's my number one pick this morning. We'll go over the gap scan here. We have about 12 minutes to go until the bell rings and trading begins. So the leading gapper this morning, not interested. CHS, I don't trade these type of stocks. So GRTS is the next one down. It's a cheaper stock, has lots of volume, a little high on the float. Consolidating, it's something I'll keep an eye on. So I'll put it over here on my main list, GRTS. And what I'm looking at is that larger time frame. We'll see. We'll break that down in a little bit here. Let's move on down the list. Freeze that. SLNO from yesterday and from the day before that. It has potential to make big moves, big explosive moves. I'm a little, I don't know. Good morning, Andrew. Welcome back. I'm just talking about SLNO here. I'm just not sure if I want to trade it or not, but I'm going to put it up on my list and I'll watch it. Who knows? It's kind of a tricky one. It was great a couple of days ago. Anyways, next one down, CNXA. And I don't like that one. It's not really doing much. CXAI is a no for me. See, I'm on that. Okay, so this one, no, it's kind of giving back most of its move, looking kind of weak. SOUN is cheaper, light volume, larger time frame doesn't look too bad. Starting to break out here, but I'm gonna leave that one alone. I don't like this kind of price action here. And then BBAI, I don't think so either. No. So that's it for the watch list this morning. Let me see. We had CHS already looked at that. SLNO, IGF, no, and LI is a no. Okay. So that's it. I'll come back over here now to my main screen, and we have 10 minutes to go. Hourly time frame. So I'm watching BNOX, GRTS, and SLNO as my three tickers on the watch list this morning. So BNOX, the one I traded pre-market, nice move up. We are due for some consolidation, but it's an inside bar on the hourly. Looking for an equilibrium here on the 15-minute time frame. as we had our move up, our little pullback, lower high, looking for that higher low and then the break. So we'll see if we get that. So I'll put a support level down here and resistance right about there. And we'll take a look at that on the 5-minute time frame in a second. GRTS been consolidating now for several hours, so it might be due for a bounce. Pretty nice move post-market yesterday, but just been selling off pre-market, so we'll see on that one. What happens? Tightening up a little bit there. But it is a 15-minute downtrend. Support down here, we just broke that, so where's our next support? I don't know, maybe there. We'll look at that on the 5-minute time frame and an inside bar here on the hourly on SLNO. It's been selling off ever since its main move 2 days ago. But showing some signs here of an hourly trend change, actually pre-market, so that's nice. So looking for a 15-minute higher low. Pretty good consolidation here, though. Right into that area, that pivot, and we have a little trough down there. So now off we go to the lower time frames. The 5-minute looking good for a breakout. I was hoping it would wait a little bit until the open. So I can get in it, but that's okay. Let's see. So a little choppy there. All right, I'm going to leave my support lines right there. Let me see. Actually, I want to move that one down to here. 496. So we have that support zone, the volume weighted average price. And I was looking at the volume weighted average price pre-market, waiting for the price to come back down to that, but it never did. It stopped here. So where would I want to trade this pre-market? Well, if we pull back into this area, yeah, I'd probably jump in it. I'm sorry, not pre-market, but when the bell rings. I'm wondering if it starts to break out, though, when the bell rings. Do I want to jump in that? I don't know. Yet we'll come back to that. This one here on that 5-minute time frame, we're already at this level, I think. And there's nothing else below that. Cheaper stock. Yeah, we're right down there, close to it. So I'll pay attention to that at the open. That's the only level I'm looking at on GRTS. SLNO pulling back pretty good there. And this one is more of a wait and see for me after this amount of a pullback. Yeah, I could take a trade off of this $22 support area, but I don't know if I would do that or not. Okay, so not a whole lot. My game plan this morning, I don't know. I guess on this one it's a wait and see. Maybe I take a trade off that support. That's a little risky to in my opinion. The only reason I would is because it's consolidated and I might expect to bounce first thing, but if I get in it, I probably want to take my profit pretty quick because I'm only expecting a small bounce. It is SLNO, so you never know. For it to come up and recover and move past these highs, it could do it pretty quick. It could also drop pretty quick. So, and this one, yeah, it's just a wait and see on that support level, and this one here. Come back to that in a second. But first off, I better set up my stop loss levels. Okay, so the overall market this morning, SPY. Oh yeah, and here's here's my red day yesterday. Big old red candle. It broke my own support down here. Ouch. Not a pretty picture. Oh, so what were we doing here on the market? Yeah, monthly consolidation, weekly downtrend, daily downtrend, looking for a lower high. But first, looking for that place where we're going to bounce from. This could be it. And we're looking for a daily lower high. Bears want to see a lower low. Bulls want to see a higher low and a higher high. So let's see. What does that hourly time frame look like? Do we have our trend change yet? 4 hour is still winding down, fighting the EMA. That hourly time frame. Nice bounce yesterday. So I'd be looking for a higher low somewhere above 422.29, keeping in mind that we are in bearish territory. So I'm scouting a higher low. I'm not really planning on it, but I would like to see that to know that our daily bounce would be underway. So we're looking for that higher low and higher high, and that would tell us our daily low is set. Where are we trading here pre-market? Right around 425. Shaboom. Okay. So we could pull back first thing, form that higher low. That'd be good. Or we could continue a little higher and then pull back. Who knows? All right. One more look here. All right. So looks like we have still kind of a 5-minute downtrend here. Bears starting to take over. So we'll see here. Bulls buying the dip there on those two. $655 is that level to get over. Unclear for me. Choppy on the 1 minute, little choppy on the 5. Basically the 15 minute, we have a 2-hour pullback. Just looking for that equilibrium. So looking for when we're going to find the bottom here and make a move up. That's the game plan for me. I'm going to trade that 15-minute time frame. I'll be watching that. If we lose this support area down here, mark out some levels. 30 seconds to go till the market opens. Keeping in mind the volume weighted average price is right below that support. I think I'll wait for it to drop if I'm going to buy it. Maybe. 10 seconds to go. Good luck today. Coming on down. Take a starter position on it. I'm going to sell it right away there. And just in case it decides to drop more. GRTS there. I missed the trade off of that support level. See if we get follow through on that bounce. There's the follow through. I'll just take the profit quick. SLNO. Trying to get over that level right there. Oh, what are we going to do here? BNOX. Coming on down. I'm in SLNO. Just ain't moving fast enough for me. Break even trade on that one. That one makes me nervous. I don't like trading that way. Nice though. Up to the volume weighted average price. The market's bouncing. In this one time. I'm back out. Small profit. Oh, SLNO. Feeling FOMO on that one. Resistance up here. Beautiful move. And I think it's maybe going to halt if it keeps going like that. Oops, BNOX. I tried to jump in it, but it moved really fast on me there. Tricky, man. Oh no. Just like that. Gave back that profit. I'm going to jump into SLNO there. I like that setup that I see. We're looking for the breakthrough. 2432. And taking the profit, seeing that 5-minute candle has me wanting to get back out of it. Got out of BNOX there for a bit. I'm green on my day. Just barely. SLNO. I'll buy the breakout on it. I got in trouble yesterday buying breakouts. We'll see here. Yeah. Hmm. Coming up against 25. Break through 25, so sold half. Still holding one position. High of that candle is 25.49, so a new 1 minute candle here. I'm just going to take the profit. Yeah, back out, break even on that. It's all about timing. Like, I'm looking for the bulls to hold this level and see a move up, but there's the breakthrough. I'm still watching 496 down here. It's a new 5 minute candle. SLNO. Nice on SLNO. I'm watching BNOX. There's that $5 level. So I'm in at one time at $5. There it comes down a little more. Coming down towards that volume weighted average price. And here I'll sell half and then put my stop loss in. Not there. Right there. Okay. That way if it comes down more. Oh, I missed a good trade here on SLNO. And then so I'll hold this and see if this is the bottom, because we're looking for that 15-minute higher low. So we want to hold that support. If we break that support, then we're looking at a lower low and basically a trend change back to the bears on the 15-minute, and that would be hourly consolidation would be starting at that point. Yeah, it's too bad. Really would like to have gotten into SLNO here off of the volume weighted average price. GRTS is a no for me now. And there isn't really anything on the high of day scan except for SJ. I'm back out of BNOX. It might turn around and bounce from here, but I'm playing against the trend and I don't want to hold that. But I will take a trade off of the volume weighted average price if it comes down to that. Even though that's a break of that, well, 477, we'd still be holding the low of that hourly candle if we come down to that level. Low of that candle there is 485. I was looking for a move down further. Maybe I won't get it. I'm buying SLNO off of the EMA right there. Nice bull break here on BNOX. Oh. Yeah, I didn't see that was a new 5-minute candle. This one too. Go ahead and take the profit on it. So SLNO, looking for that move after this little pullback, looking for the breakout over 2480. I think my desk just fell apart. Nope. So yesterday I had problems buying off the volume weighted average price. Things weren't holding up. Let's see if it holds up here. Little pullback. SNL broke out. I bought the little pullback as that candle came down. My stop loss is a little tight there. And I'll sell it right there. Yeah, we don't seem to be holding here on BNOX too well. BNOX. Sold half of my position there. I'm going to put a stop loss in for the rest, just in case I get stopped out. So it won't be quite as painful. Okay, that's the stop out. So that puts me down $43. It's been a manageable day. I haven't really made any progress. I've been kind of above and below the line. PTON. I want to see if I can jump in this one real quick. That 1 minute candle is only halfway through. See if it has any gas behind it or in it, push behind it. No, that one's not going to work, is it? Well, I gave it a shot. So I'm in it one more time with my stop loss at the low. And then if I get stopped out on this, I probably will just stop trading for the day before I get to my max loss. I don't want to have a full max loss day today after yesterday's loss. So I'll just, hang it up, come back tomorrow, look for the opportunity. Today is just not that good of a day. I expected a little more from BNOX. A little disappointing on that one. Yeah, maybe there will be opportunity on it later. I don't know. It's due for a bounce here soon. PTON. I liked the look of PTON on the hourly time frame here. SPY, well, moving up. Haven't really had our hourly higher low yet. On this one here, I'll see if we hold the EMA right here. I took myself out of that trade on PTON before it comes down to my stop loss. So we're just trading in a range on SLNO. I bought it as it came down to this support area. I got out of BNOX when this candle went red, looking for a possible pullback on that, so I didn't want to hold that. So 5-minute inside bars on this one, holding the volume weighted average price. We have the EMAs catching up. Could be a 1-minute higher low and higher high setup here. There is a new hourly candle coming up in 15 seconds. I'm going to buy BNOX there off of the volume weighted average price a couple of times. I'm out of SLNO because I don't like the setup on the 5-minute. And I'm out of BNOX. I think that's maybe going to do it for me today. Let me watch this here real quick. See what happens here. There goes BNOX. No harm in trying to get back in. SLNO. I do like that for a breakout. Oh. I guess there was harm getting back in. Okay, well, that's going to do it for me. I'm at my max loss, so I'm going to have to stop. Another red day. Dang it. Well, I think this one's going to break out. I just didn't want to hold that trade because I'm at my max loss, but I think it's probably going to go. But I don't know on a day like this. So, well, okay. I'm going to go do my trade review and look at my trades and see what I could have done better. Hope you guys had a good day. I just hope that things will here pick up after a while and we'll see some better stocks to trade. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you tomorrow. One more day left in the week.